Credit reporting has come to the countries of the Eastern Caribbean. This month, the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank will officially launch the Regional Credit Bureau, Everyday ECCU Limited. The Credit Bureau will be tasked with collecting information on how individuals and businesses manage their credit from lending institutions so lenders can determine their credit worthiness. That is, the ability of a customer to repay their debt to a lender and not default. ECCB Governor Timothy Antoine notes that the Credit Bureau service will create an information base that will assist both banks and other financial institutions to improve credit selection, risk management, and reduce non-performing loans.
NPLs are high. Right now in the banks it's 9.8%, in our credit union it's 9.5%. We have to manage credit risk. But a benefit of the Credit Bureau is enhanced credit. Because what we know is that everywhere Credit Bureau has been established, credit has increased. And if we have to have the big push, and we're going to grow this economy and double it in 10 years, we have to have credit. And the Credit Bureau will help us with that.
It is anticipated that the Credit Bureau will improve access to financing for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, which make up the lifeblood of Eastern Caribbean economies. Antigua and Barbuda will this week be the first jurisdiction within the Eastern Caribbean to introduce credit reporting in their jurisdiction. Saint Lucia is expected to follow in short order.
We're pleased to announce that Saint Lucia has commenced enforcement or operation of the credit reporting bill as of September 1, 2024 in Saint Lucia, and that Saint Lucia now will soon be able to begin to participate in the Credit Bureau. So the banks will be doing subscriber agreements with the Credit Bureau operator. The Credit Bureau is also available to our credit unions, and we are encouraging and expect the credit unions to come on board as well.
Initially, the Credit Bureau will collect data on a borrower's credit history from financial institutions like banks, credit unions, and later on from hire purchase companies, utility companies, and credit card providers. Over time, as it builds up a database with historical information, the Credit Bureau will produce other tools such as a credit score, as well as fraud prevention and identity theft prevention tools for the benefit of the borrower and creditor. For the DBS News World, I am Zane Romulus.